Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P Smart from 2019, and I'll show you how to clear browser data. So start by opening up your browser, which for me is Chrome, and you will see these three little dots up here. There also might be a little arrow. It doesn't really matter, you can still click on it. And from here, basically the same arrow as this one. And from here you will choose history. So let's click on it. And now you have the option to either individually remove the history. So for instance, like Google, you can tap on the X and it's removed. Or you can tap at the top, as you can see, clear browser data. So once I tap on it, I have a couple of choices here. I can choose the time range, last hour, 24, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time. So I'm just gonna choose all time to remove everything. And then you also have the option to remove either individual pieces like browser history and then keep the rest of it, like images, cache, and data like that. Or you can remove everything and clear some also space on your device by doing so. So once you have chosen what you want to remove, you can just click on clear data. And as you can see now, everything is done, or gone, I meant to say. So that is how you clear browser data. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.